here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. Today we're going to be looking at a grade 8 Natural Sciences Life and Living question taken from the Herzia Middle School November 2015 exam paper. So let's dive straight in. The question reads, which two types of microorganisms form an association which we know as lichen? Okay, first of all, we know that lichen is formed through a mutualistic relationship between two organisms which are algae and fungi. And mutualistic means that this relationship is beneficial to both the organisms in the relationship. Okay, so it's just useful to remember that it's a mutualistic relationship between algae and fungi. So our answer here is C, and therefore we can cross out the other ones just for the purposes of this video to help us remember that C is the answer we're looking for. Lichen is formed through an association between alga and fungi. Okay, so that's that for this question. But before I go, I'd just like to say a very big thank you to our epic sponsor for making this video possible. You can read about them in the description below. Also, be sure to head over to our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. And if you can't find the answer to your question, please send us your question and we will respond with a personalized video just for you. And until the next time, stay epic.